giving IKnowLee and NaturalReign a shout out. That inspired me to go ahead and dye my hair. I'm using 2 box dyes today, and they by Revlon Colorsilk. And the 2 colors I'm using is Ultra Light Natural Blonde and Ultra Light Sun Blonde. And I'm using 2 different colors because I got them at 2 different times, and I assumed they both were the same color until I got home and noticed that they 2 different colors. I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections and apply some oil throughout my hair. And applying the oil is kind of like just a pre-poo pretty much, just so it's like a barrier between my hair and the hair dye. I don't want to damage my scalp too bad. And I got these super light blonde colors because over the years, or from experience, I learned that my hair do not take dye well, meaning that my hair do not change. And since my hair is pretty much dark all over, I know a regular hair dye would not take. So I don't look forward to my hair being this blonde color. It's just going to be light enough to take, so I can get some type of lift without actually bleaching my hair. I think I'm going to try to put the natural blonde at the roots and the sun blonde at the ends. I just discovered NaturalReign's YouTube channel. I think I saw one of her posts on a sponsored Instagram page, like maybe she did a sponsored ad for a product or something, and her curl pattern stuck out to me because I feel like we have the same curl pattern, and she did a wash and go on her hair and it was really pretty. Granted, her hair is way longer than mine, but after that I followed her on YouTube and I've been watching her videos non-stop for the past couple of days. She inspired me to go ahead and color my hair, which I've been torn between coloring it or not, which I always colored my hair. Now that I have applied the color all over my head, I actually put it on my roots now. Do you guys think me and NaturalReign have the same curl pattern? I think we do. But she have the same curl pattern throughout her head. I have a looser texture at the bottom. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes and I'm gonna rinse it out and be back. Y'all see this color? My roots are bright, which I knew was gonna happen. My hair ain't jet black no more. I look different. My eyebrows dark. Oh look, I got dark sideburns. Overall, I think that this was a good process, other than my spots that I missed on my edges. I actually like the color. This is how the Revlon Colorsilk in color Ultra Light Natural Blonde and Sun Blonde came out on jet black hair. Overall, it did the job. I just wanted my hair to be lifted without using bleach, so I can apply another color if I wanted to, like a rinse, semi-permanent rinse on top. But for the moment, I'm actually going to wear this color. But since I just did that intense coloring, I'm going to deep condition my hair with the Camille Rose Natural Coconut Water Penetrating Hair Treatment. So if you want to see me do my deep condition, then keep watching.